So ladies and gentlemen, Sanjay Kher mara G49. So ladies and gentlemen, now this is the donation time, you know, G49 Saket. G mara G for Gujarat. G for Gujarat. Saket New Delhi. G49 Saket, New Delhi. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the time of, you know, the donation. This is very important. Once you visit this Bhagwan Gopinath ji, God bless you. Thank you. God bless you. आपका शुभ नाम बेटा? समरपुर.
Right.
Ah, good. So Bhagwan Gopinath ji, ladies and gentlemen, you know that Bhagwan. Very important. So Kapil ji, if you agree with me that we are having a feeling of pure feeling, feeling Chivan Kashir Hansan, because as somebody told that once wherever these three Kashmiri Pandits meet, and of course they speak in Kashmiri. I am not speaking Kashmiri, but I am speaking because Angrezas Maskaran cause maximum nafran terrifically depth to increase the depth of the video clip. So I feel that once we are here, it means that it gives a feeling. It gives a feeling of
हमारा सो कश्मीरियत पानियार
Panun, Panyar. Sorry, feeling chupuri.
Meherbani, greatness.
So sorry, feeling Chiatna Sanjima. That's exactly what my brother Kapil ji is saying. Kapil ji is saying that we love it. We love Kashmir and we love Kashmir. We love Kashmiri Pandits. We love each and every person who stays in Jammu and Kashmir. And for that matter, in India and the world, each and every manifestation of the world, we love. And now today we are here on this very important day of 5th June 2019, when it is the day of Bhagwan Gopinath ji. Also Shraddh. It is the day of Shraddh. 3rd July, Bhagwan Gopinath ji was born, but today is the Shraddh. Today is the Punyatithi. When he left this heaven, the mortal or from this earth in Kashmir, mortal of the day. So this is Bhagwan Gopinath ji, ladies and gentlemen. See the dedication of these people. Jai ho Jai Gopinath. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mara. Thank you, Mara Bansab. So great of you are doing a great job, sir. We are having your blessing. Thank you, Mara Bansab. Great of you, sir. Thank you.